How to back up WhatsApp to Google Drive. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats and media to Google Drive to keep your messages safe. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner and then select settings on Android. Next, tap on chat section, then select chat backup. Make sure your Google Drive account is linked here. If not, tap Google account to add your account. Choose how often you want to WhatsApp to back up your chats, daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup. You can also toggle include videos on or off depending on whether you want videos included in the backup. When you are ready, tap backup to start saving your WhatsApp data to Google Drive. And that's it. This is how you back up your chats in Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.